Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Hyundai Elantra door handle. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement door handle for your Elantra model. Always work in a well-lit area, and ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's access the inner workings of your door. Begin by carefully removing any small plastic covers or trim pieces that conceal screws. Typically, there are 1 or 2 screws near the armrest and 1 or 2 along the bottom edge. Once all screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, starting from the bottom. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors before fully removing the panel. With the door panel off, you can now reach the old door handle. Look for a small rod or cable connected to the back of the handle. Gently detach it. Next, you will typically find 2 or 3 mounting bolts or screws securing the handle assembly to the door frame. Remove these fasteners. Once they are loose, you can carefully slide the entire old door handle assembly out from the exterior of the door. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components. Finally, it's time to install your brand new door handle. Carefully slide the new handle into the exterior opening, ensuring it sits flush. Secure it with the 2 or 3 mounting bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the rod or cable to the new handle's latch mechanism, testing its operation. Then, reattach any electrical connectors to the door panel. Align the door panel, press it firmly into place, and reinstall all screws and trim pieces. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.